Hey you guys, it's attorney Melanie's Bardley McKnight of Bardley McKnight Law, and I wanted to pop on really quick to discuss an issue that myself and so many of my fellow family law practitioners are dealing with amid this coronavirus pandemic. So as we all know by now, the schools are currently suspended to make sure that the kids are safe. And many of us have parenting plans in place for our clients that require them to exchange children at the school, after school, or at the school program, at daycares. And so with the transition of there not being any school, parents working from home, we've just been inundated with a lot of legitimate questions in reference to how to exchange children. Well, there's been a little wrinkle added now that the mayor of the city of Atlanta has instituted her 14-day stay-at-home order. Now, I've read it, I've looked at the news, and it essentially says it's encouraging people that, and telling them, mandating that they stay home with the exception of essential activities, okay? Some of the essential activities listed are going to the grocery store, going to doctor's appointments, going to work, okay? If you work for the government, you're still required to report to work. In my mind, exchanging your children with the other parent is an essential activity, okay? So I'm not sure what the conflict is, but we want to properly advise our clients. So I'm going to read you all the notice of clarification that came out from the Fulton County Superior Court judges. And this was done also on Monday, March 23rd, because we were all inundating them with questions as to how to advise our clients amid the suspension of school, concerns about, children's health and well-being, and how to properly advise our clients. So let me read the actual notice of clarification. Let me pull it up on my iPad. All right, what it says is, questions have arisen with respect to the interpretation of child parenting time visitation schedules during the school closings necessitated by the coronavirus. In an effort to help the family law bar, that's us fellow attorneys, to advise your clients, the Fulton County Superior Court Division judges have met and have unanimously agreed that in all cases in which child parenting time visitation is governed by a school calendar, parenting time visitation will continue to be governed by the previously published school calendar, regardless of any break or homeschooling necessitated by the current public health crisis. Spring break, holiday, and summer parenting time will continue to be governed by the controlling school calendar in the manner stated in the applicable custody order in each case. To me, that's pretty clear. So yes, the city of Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms has put in an order for people to stay home with the exception of essential activities. If you can go to the grocery store, you can exchange your children with the other parent, okay? I rest assured for most of us, for most people, most normal law-abiding citizens, the other parent's home is much safer than any grocery store. So I hate that we're having to deal with this because this kind of shows like the ugly side of family law. And, obviously we want to take the parents that have legitimate concerns about their children's health and safety. We want to take it serious. We do have children that are sick. We do have children that are suffering from asthma, pneumonia, various complicated health concerns. But for healthy kids, we should be encouraging each other to exchange children for the regular parenting schedule unless people are able to come to an agreement amongst themselves. We've had clients forgo their parenting time. We've had clients agree to a modified parenting schedule in light of what's going on. So everyone's already stressed. It's already a really tense situation. So now we have this added issue of people using the coronavirus pandemic to withhold visitation or make make it difficult for the other parent to get their kids. And so I'd like some feedback from my other family law practitioners. You know, what are the things that you guys are dealing with? How are you advising your clients? Are you advising your clients differently? Now, I will say, in situations where there are legitimate health concerns, I'm advising my clients, as always, follow the court order. I'm going to always encourage my clients to follow the court order because I'm required to do so by the state bar, and it's the right thing to do. However, if you believe that your children's health or your child's health is in danger, I tell people, do what you believe is best and be prepared to deal with the consequences later. If the other parent pursues a contempt action, be prepared to explain why you did or did not follow a court order. That's really all we can do. But I'd like to get some feedback from my other colleagues. What are you guys suggesting that your clients do? Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching.